It's dark.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, so today we are at the Shell station located in King City with a Mark VII ChoiceWash XT. You can see right over there's a really big, huge bump right here. So hopefully that will go well. Okay, here we go. Put this thing to drive. Hopefully I will not get stuck. I need to give it some gas. Here we go. I hope this is going to be interesting. I need to know where my tires are. Hold on, this is going to be bumpy.
Yeah, go further towards your dad.
I know.
And keep moving.
I know. The goal is to keep moving. Hold on.
Get closer to the code reader.
I know. Hold. And I'm in a big field goal today, so. There we go. There we go. You can see this machine. It is a Mark VII ChoiceWash XT. This guy got the ultimate wash. Let's see how well he can make it. I think he hit the rail. Yeah, he hit the rail. You can see. Look. Oh, there we go. I guess he hit the tractor, okay. So anyways, the door's closing right now, so I have to pause it until it's done. So anyways, I will start it up again as soon as we are done.
The folding of the
wait,
window.
I need to do.
Careful.
Okay, so I have to fold in the mirror since this vehicle is big. We'll be getting the ultimate soft touch wash. Anyways, you can fold yours. Wow. It is a really huge vehicle. There we go. Okay, here I go. Swipe my car wash card. There you go. There you go. To the wash. Make sure my window's closed up. Okay, this should be interesting. You missed the side blasters. Okay, sorry about that everyone, the phone had caught, so I need to get to the left. There we go, this is a big vehicle. Watch this sign. Watch this sign. Hit this treadle. See if I can hit it in a big vehicle. There we go. So that's the wash again. Let me get my phone going before the machine fires up. Okay, here we go. This is our ultimate. Whoa, this is our touchless wash. The touch-free bar is dropping down. Anyway, this is our ultimate touch-free wash. go. I'll pause it for now. There we go. I'll pause it for now. Okay, so let's go for the dryers right now.
Oh, before you move anywhere, you want to just put the wipers on once,
Oh, okay.
just to get a little clearer image.
Okay, how do I do?
Oh,
okay,
yeah,
there we
just
go.
like that.
There we
Okay.
go.
All right, there
So
we go.
let's have a. Okay, so let's
Oh, keep that way a bit, that way
Yeah,
a bit.
I know, I see it. Okay, so let's
Keep going that way a bit.
Okay, let's have a dryer still. Is it on? Get the back. 3, 2, and I guess I'm out.
Great.
There we go. I guess I can park right here and take a look and see how I washed it. I was not expecting to give a touch-free wash. I guess I give us but one wash for some reason. But oh well. Okay, so take a look and see how I washed it. Well, tires didn't do well on my front bumper. Didn't do well here. I know it because it is a really big field goal. So, and the side drafters too. I mean, but side dryers didn't do well. I guess I was a little bit late on the back. Dryers didn't do like really well on the back, but reference that is done that here with Maximum ChoiceWash XT. Didn't do well here except this part here for some reason. A lot of soap on both sides, you can see, for some reason. I guess the high pressure rinse didn't do well. So yeah. Oh well. That's the Shell station located in King City. This wash has done a decent job. So yeah. I will be driving. Okay, there we go. Okay, so when we end this video right now. So anyways, I would recommend this Shell except for sub spots on the back raft. So anyways, I think that will be it from me. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video and that will be it. Okay, here we go. This is our ultimate. Whoa, this is our touchless wash for touch-free bar is dropping down. Anyways, this is our ultimate touch-free wash.